See, I want to do with kidnappers now.
Jesus! Hey, Capone, they call me kidnapper. Graduate like me.
What do they do?
Graduate like me, they call me kidnapper.
Pass like this. Pass like this.
You see what did they cost now? You see what did they cost? As they call anybody shout for you? No. Anybody slap you? If I slap you now,
Jesus!
I'll slap you bad thing.
Bro, you've already slapped me already.
Why can't they call us kidnappers now?
What's up, my people? It's your boy OBIKING, and I'm back again with another episode of my comedy reaction. So, like I always tell you guys, please, to help my channel grow, I need you guys to always stick to the very end. And if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, please do well to subscribe. And while watching, please, I beg, when they drop nice comments, I beg, when they drop nice comments. People, what they always say, I too they talk, I too they shout. Please, guys, I just want you guys to realize that these videos aren't mine. So, because they aren't mine, I need to react to them. You understand? So that YouTube will not penalize me. So, when they try to understand, I need to be saying one or two things. I beg. So, don't play. Let's go have some fun. What's the apple for you? Funnybros, they do Undertaker.
What is this? Jesus this man! Blood of Jesus in my head, they go inside this place.
You don't go there if it's drunk.
Funnybros, you know the rest, you know the rest. Funnybros, you know the rest, you Funnybros, you know the rest, you know the rest. Funnybros.
I'm match day to game. Which people go predict this game for me?
Okay. Never hear about KGSB. They
Simon,
predict
Simon.
that is for free.
Okay.
All you have to do is to click the link on the bio comment section to join. Otilo.
Are you serious? I don't see their channel.
Join them.
Bro, thank you for the update too.
If you win, call us job.
Which job? See, Mr. Man, respect yourself.
Now this year.
Which year? Okay, focus on your job.
This guy, Momo, you go very person, you know to spoil, you still get time to go to tell person about KGF.
I want to appreciate all of you for coming out for my late brother's burial. I know the tight schedule of this country and...
But the rice has finished.
How?
We did not cook much rice.
There are people here that don't eat. Why will you do that?
It's not my fault.
I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this.
5 years of madness.
I want to also still thank you for coming, especially special appreciation to the casket bearers.
The Undertaker.
They did their work diligently. The information reaching me is that rice has finished. I know it's not going to be a problem.
Hey, good afternoon. Hey, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon. Hey! You know, man? Is it too big? Calm down. Calm down.
You go slap another person.
So the rice they make this guy vex.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. See my head, they go inside this place.
My body, not yours.
We don't want to fight. We don't want to kill each other.
Let's see what you post. Why would you say like that?
My woman talk nonsense. Now man, you go to slap.
Why you the chicken? As rice don't finish, you go pay us well.
Let me see what I can give via the payment. You know, everybody understands the situation of this country, so this is your payment for your work.
15 Person where they don't appear.
Allow me rest. Jesus. Now don't throw me out, throw me down, throw me out, throw me down. The one that throw me never do now. I see the way they see someone they fight because of rice. And I say one can kill me. Now not a shame.
This one got killed.
Hello, hello.
Years of madness.
Don't go down.
See what the greediness they cause? They just because of rice.
If you want to go fight ghost because of food.
Alright, in respect to Bobrisky, what I'm about to post now.
Hey, Bobby, we go need 2 veggie crocodiles. So you're about, and we go need dry head of tortoise and 20 liters of fuel.
Why criminal?
20 liters of fuel. What do you want to use 20 liters of fuel do?
So shit.
You say they go through a lot.
Baba, they go through a lot.
Hello? Alpha. I did. Oh! Come on, my house, I beg. You go over. What's it concern you? Guy, I beg. For us because one guy won't kill me like this. I get food for us. The things that they do, I run off financial. See, I know they good. Just come on my house, I beg. Come on my house. You know they mood. I don't give you my belly. I mean, it's very good. Hello. Baba, if I want 10 person to stone, I'll go down. Yeah! Help you. I'm always the person one shot. This boy. You get to space where you don't get food. Just spray. At least, not all that will reduce. Imagine. Say this one, no?
What's happening now? What you doing for? You just scatter person house.
Chicken. I didn't want to get food for house. We don't need food. Yes! Breakfast in bed.
Breakfast in bed.
Nah, Greek.
Shaggy!
Yes. If I tell you say make you know enter my house, you dey mad. Calm down now, what's happen? Make you go your house. Just come, just chop. Why your face be like this? You feel like? I feel like. Now my brother, Michael. I don't know the argument, so you go get one, Baba. The Baba don't knock and dance. They knock Michael dance. They don't turn Michael to chicken. Brother. They turn Michael to chicken. Yes, now. I put aside for inside wardrobe now. Me, they did for there because I can't stop on chicken. You know, there's no one place. From here to here, from here to here. I don't care about inside wardrobe. Okay, now Michael dey inside wardrobe. Michael dey inside wardrobe. Now Michael, you go come person, you got to search everywhere. What do you find inside wardrobe now? Michael dey inside.
Now Michael dey chop now.
Shaggy. Chance. What's going on here? Where Michael with his where Michael with his wardrobe?
You don't chop Michael now.
You don't know. Where Michael?
Are you whining yourself? Or whining me?
This chicken is still hot. I just cook out. You just cook out.
You don't chop Michael.
It's not what I'm thinking. It's what you're thinking. You can't be what I'm thinking. If you're a good person, and shaggy, you'll be a good person.
I'm not in a good mood.
Could have killed him.
Run, no.
If I die now for here, people will die for this street. It could reach 1 million.
Oh, no way, I swear.
Oh, brain jotter. Brain jotter, right?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Oh, wow. Very nice. You know what? I love what you do online. I love your content. In fact, I'm one of your biggest fans. Wow.
Thank you.
Do you know, there was actually a day you saved me. What's this advert you,
Mobile Nigeria.
Yeah. Where you say you can, buy data,
Buy data, buy utility.
and at a cheap rate.
Yeah.
There was actually a day when I mistakenly bought airtime of 500,000 instead of 50,000. And I was
You get money
I was
now.
lost.
They
I was
can
so
convert
frustrated.
that airtime to cash.
Exactly.
That's what they do.
And I remembered, Mobile Nigeria. They can convert your airtime back to cash.
Yeah.
That was what saved me that day. Very, very.
Nanso! I hear you.
So where are you headed? Let me give you a ride.
I'm going to that pharmacy for there. I want to pass that exam.
Oh, okay. Oh, hop in. Let me give you a ride.
Thank you.
You know we have slippers here.
Let me give you a ride.
Sorry, excuse me. You say you want to give me what?
I said hop in. Let me give you a ride.
No. Just in case of next time. No, they know the tell man. Man know the tell man. Say let me give you a ride.
May I drop you?
No, like man know the tell man. Say let me give you a ride.
Let me give you a ride.
You get just.
My mind not gonna
My apologies.
Yeah.
Okay, hop in. Let me drop you off.
Oh, thank you very much. I see you there.
Let me drop you off. Wow.
Chama, so in case of next time, you get the way they just say enter, let me carry you and go where you are going. You get enter the car, enter the motor, let me carry you and go. Just in case of next time.
Okay. Carry you and go. You know where it's going to
carry you and go.
Thank you very much, sir.
Enter the car, let me carry you and go.
Thanks, boss. I appreciate it. Thank you, boss.
Enter, make I carry you go.
Man, no, they open door for man.
That's it.
Yeah, he enter. I just say no go agree enter. I be just say no go agree enter. So he enter.
Hey! Man, they open door for man. Hey! Man, they open door for man. Where are you running to?
This guy na mumu, Aje. Bring jotter, you know get sense.
Oh, correct boy.
Sydiwundu.
Now you will come in and have it.
Yes, that boy where they kidnap him father, not me.
Now you will kidnap your father. I can't sit down now.
Yeah,
Sit down, feel at home now. Be one now.
I don't know.
We are one.
You say why you go make that kind of mistake?
Baba, na pressure. You know, say the pressure of the kidnap make me. I can't go add another zero.
Yeah, no, they make that kind of mistake now. If nobody say we'll be responsible kidnappers now, or say we get cash to give you. If you come be like say we don't want to give you your money, see your money. Oh.
To see your type of kidnappers is rare.
It is smoke Igbo.
Count them. Today's just incomplete. 900,000 in there. We need the cheat person for here.
Respect.
This man. Count your money.
No, see they complete.
No, wahala. Now, no make that kind of mistake next time. Oh.
They play.
Alright, boss, what's the name?
Capon.
Nice to meet you. Hey! Boss, what's the name?
You will find out later now.
Okay, no wahala, boss. What's the
You
name?
go find out
Don't worry,
later.
now we'll see later now.
Okay, no problem. Alright,
Where do you go?
boss. I came to collect money from them.
I see them there, no like her.
What I want to do with kidnappers now?
Jesus!
Hey, Capon! Capon, they call me kidnapper, graduate like me. What do they do? Graduate like me, they call me kidnapper.
Let me go to that.
Pass like this. I'll take
Collins.
You see what did they cost now? You see what did they cost? As they call anybody shout for you. No. Anybody slap you. If I slap you now,
Jesus!
let's not do bad thing.
Bro, you've already slapped me already.
Why can't they call us kidnappers now? At this time.
Who goes see them mad?
So what you go do now? Eh? That 1 million we sent for us. Now for your father ransom, and we don't give you 900,000 back because you make mistake. Now you go call them for your own ransom. Because as I talk to you now, your ransom now 1.9 million.
Hey.
You owe 900,000. If you use a hand, give us because we don't want to take out.
Look at my face.
Call them, they send the remaining 1 million.
Wait, did they kidnap who come pay ransom?
I go what's you? Leave, don't do. Bring money first. Bring money, mobile drink.
Hey. This one no get joy.
Hey, correct. See, take. Buy us alcohol, go the drink as we wait. Then for him, buy and juice.
Apart from the juice, you need any other thing.
Buy jollof fries, hot one.
Oh, Chama, you remember that match I played the other day? I think it's the game caught too.
Just, I don't know
Put match for argument.
Put match now.
Jesse never signed her land yet.
Put match for reasonable argument.
Why I forgot my gun?
But when Jesse go play match next time.
Yeah, if I go, I feel chest.
Use my phone, check out.
Okay.
Hey! You don't collect your phone. You want to kidnap my phone. Now you give me shit. You don't collect my phone.
No, break Sabinus head.
No.
Who plays?
Half of my guy. Half of now. Who be that game?
Okay. Last night, neighbor, I know the friend boy talk for here.
I need about.
Only friend boy talk.
I forgot to.
Hey! Which time for here?
Guy, now 5 games. Now my friend talk.
I think some the friend boy talk for here now.
Guy, go me for me. I collect number.
Waiting be this.
I don't like this kind. I don't like him.
So you don't even get phone.
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you.
Fine game. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Continue.
Yes, I was passing by, so I see one fine game there. I see me I come back. Come tell you say you too fine. I did.
Ajay.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for those.
Yes. I beg. If you give your number, I beg.
No, I'm sorry, I can't.
She said I play.
Fine game. Somebody find for my phone. I don't want to get one fine game number for my phone. I beg. Just give your number.
Clap for Jesus. Let's watch this video.
Yo man, what are you doing with my wife?
Oh, my wife. I'm sorry, sir. Thank you.
Come here. What are you doing with my wife?
God help me.
Sir, they tell about King Solomon analysis.
King Solomon analysis?
Yes, sir.
What's going on here?
What is King Solomon analysis?
Okay. So on our Telegram channel, they predict for odds for there. If you join the Telegram channel, they will give you short games.
So how does that concern my wife?
No, I say may tell you if you don't enter house.
Okay, no problem. Honey, please give me my car, please.
Okay.
I need it.
Phone,
Madam, sorry, sir.
You mean like King Solomon analysis?
Yes, sir.
No worry, I say we'll go join them already, okay?
Right, sir. Sir, sorry.
You get problem with my wife?
No, sir. So I just want to maybe she help me see my phone.
Your phone?
I did.
I'm trying to call my wife a thief.
No, sir. Sorry.
Then get out.
You know how bad it.
I say get out.
And they never leave you.
Person phone, don't go.
Where my phone?
Deal with your neighbor.
Which neighbor? What is on the phone talk for you?
No best, my guy.
I want to call my phone now.
Let's have it.
We'll go report them for police station.
Report to them for police station?
Police go arrest you to do.
This guy don't get sense.
It be like say you knew for this area because I know the two see this face.
I knew.
I talk. Madam, my name is Gentle Justice. Actually, I be big man before. But due to 2, 3, 4, 5 conditions, that make me the use leg. But let's leave that aside. The thing is, I don't know, I want to make you be my girlfriend. Make me and you they relate. You understand? Now true love I carry come, not just nothing that one.
Yeah, true love.
I love you, die. In fact, I feel swear to you put. I want to take you as my baby. I want to take you as my tomato. Tomato just you. How you dey do today? You get bad leg.
Yeah, Oswald. Nothing do my leg. My leg good kakaraka, nothing do am. I just say you bring true love.
Oh, madam, actually, now true love I carry come. But I go see a friend. But if say the friend no dey house.
If you hear me here, you know go like I'm free. I'm not here. Idiot. Now so they do. Go just they waste woman time.
Hello, Chijoke. Since we are done, they tell you make you send your mama money. You not really send. You allow me make I dey suffer for this my old age. You dey tell me say you want send me Bitcoin. Where then they use that one again for this kind time? If you just make me shout too much now, I go just shout now. Make everybody get accident, go die for this place.
Yeah, madam.
You don't want send them. Hey,
what is the problem?
See, picking where I suffer train.
Madam, what do you come be this one now? And the current Agkaay, they use accident, they welcome me. What's all this now?
Oh, God, no be smart, you know. No be my picking where I suffer carry for 9 months. Suffer finish day and night, train and for school. Carry and go Obodo Yibo. Time don't reach to send me money. In the day me saying go send me Bitcoin. You want to do me yahoo.
Madam, Bitcoin is not yahoo. It's not fraud. That's why you have people like us. Let me enlighten you a little bit. You see that Bitcoin, you can trade it with Liba Ventures.
Madam, see, make I tell you. This is what the brother tell you true.
You know too.
The surest place now to trade your Bitcoin, where you're picking one cent with Liba Ventures. Bitcoin, gift card, all digital assets. Very fast. No, you go receive the money. And one good thing be say, then get very good rate. So if you change them, the money go big for Nigeria.
This guy, you are updated. Madam, you can even join them on Instagram or even get their phone number.
No, you go receive them.
That's easy and simple.
So how I go come do it?
Oh yeah, bring your head. Let me show you.
Come, make him teach you. Come,
bring your head.
Make all of us join head together and I will teach you.
Hope not be with the big Bitcoin when I go use pay.
Okay, make we dey go now.
Oh yeah, send that. They don't send you where you go send you.
Okay, you have to understand. This is a ride, not a public transport. Or anything way like you talk. Today you must show us that long. Okay, bring money, I beg. I don't understand how they do things.
This guy resembles Ft-Sabinus.
Nonsense be this one. Okay, give me money. Come on, main pass.
Okay, what's the problem now?
You know they see police.
This
is my first loading. They go collect money now.
See, man, no worry. I get plan.
Plan just to evade police extortion.
Okay, we don't collect money from this one. Leave them.
No, stop. Enter, move, go. We don't pass them. They think say them wise, they don't know say we wise pass them. That your plan work, oh.
I thought you say you go work now. You know how many years I don't do
They go now,
they
never really pass.
Okay, move keke move, they go before they go catch us.
Man, they go.
Hold up. All of you are under arrest. For your information,
I'm also a police officer. Come now, all of you. My friend, come now.
But your plan no work again. Which one be my plan no work? Maybe all of us put head together and plan am. None of my plan.
Officer!
Now when I come, I'm in the arrest all of us.
So you people think you can tag the police officers as fools? Young man, let's go.
Oh.
No be only. Mark Angel.
Alpha.
I'm not by your mom.
Hi.
Hi.
It's nothing without you. There is something about you. Could this be love? Oh?
Love, don't start shop.
Ama. Hi.
I don't get things, my mind they lose.
You don't see woman where you like.
That's your friend that is my crush. She come and visit you, did not tell me. Hey, she come to our house, you did not tell me. It's what to say. I like her. It's what to say. Hey, I like her way.
Don't get see.
Mama. Have you and your friend, have you eat? Because I want to go to the kitchen and cook something for you people.
You can cook.
Oh, I can cook. Oh.
You don't look like you can cook.
No, I used to cook.
You don't look it at all.
Eh. Hi. Do I look it now? Do I look like a person that can cook?
Hey! This guy don't get sense.
What's that smell?
Oh, okay. It's Cameroon pepper. I spray Cameroon pepper.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking to the very end. What's your favorite part of this video? Because I think for me, I think the Sabinus, yeah. Then the talkless, yes, talkless. Talkless scene was actually quite interesting. You won't go collect number. It happened that the woman is actually married. So the woman should have simply said, "I'm married." One, but since she did not say she's married, it's normal now. The husband came out. The husband is a soldier. What would you have done? You tell your husband that, okay, sorry, I didn't know she was married. I actually wanted to get her number. You understand? So the man will be like, okay, she's married, you can see. Then you collect your phone back. You understand? But woman will be say she say she don't marry. She can't still they collect person phone, won't give her number. You know, make sense. And you know your husband is actually inside the house. You know, make sense now. You can easily say I'm married. Sorry, you know, that kind of stuff. So, but anyway, I comedy and talk less and say no get sense. You understand? So I think I preferred it. I also like that of Sabinus. You get? I also like that of Sabinus. You get? So, what's your favorite part of the video? Let's see it in the comment section. You understand? So make sure to check out my other videos on my channel, because I've got so many funny videos on my channel. You understand? So please make sure to check it out. I'm sorry for having a dull moment because I'm not feeling too well. You get? So check out, subscribe if you're yet to, and see you in the next one. Peace out.